everybody. Today I'm going to work on this 40 by 40 and I have 3 colors in mind. I'm going to turn this way. Using my paper towel. Okay. This way. So I'm going to make this a little bit hotter. So now I'm going to get my white. I'm going to do some big strokes here and there, especially over here. And you can see I am using a small brush because now I just want to do, good stuff. Moving my brush up and down. I don't have an idea like always. Okay. So I just, I don't know what I'm doing, but I just feel that I want to do this. Okay. And then I would come with my spray bottle. I'm going to do it all with it. I'm going to move things around. And get it over here. Okay. Okay. Right now I don't have an image or anything. I'm just playing around and see what comes out with for. I'm going to put it right here. Come out here. Down here. Remember, we're just doing layers, so there is not anything set on stone. More of my yellow over here. Okay. So here, just moving the painting around. And I'm going to do the same over here. So it's starting to get too big for me, so I'm going to switch the brush. It's very messy, but I'm content with what's happening. Okay, and now I'm using my hands just because I feel the pink again. Okay, this baby blue is much better. Okay. Okay. I don't like this green, so I'm not green. Now I'm gonna put my orange back right here. Same as this one here. Let's move this here. And put it in here. Here. And again, it's all about the layers. So now I'm gonna let it dry. All right, guys, let's keep working on this. I'm gonna use my soft pastel white and we're gonna do some trays. Just doing marks. And I'm gonna use my cake spatula. I'm gonna apply it, play around with the layers. It's all about discovering something while working. All right, look at how pretty this is. And I'm gonna keep working on the layers that I have over here with the orange that I applied before, just to make it brighter. And I still have the undertone under, which is darker, which is nice. Do the same right here. That's good. I'm gonna apply more. All right, that's looking good. All right, so now I feel that I want to add white. So I'm going to use my big brush. Okay. And I'm just going to add just random. Okay, just to do a little bit of mix. I'm gonna get my spatula. I'm gonna go all across. My scraper. And I'm moving things around. Blue up here. Here's my white. And then I'm going to come with the scraper. I'm going to bring it all the way down. Just to have the blue in the background, right? I'm going to apply over here a little bit more. Right there. Might do a little bit more up here. So what I'm doing now is I'm trying to mix together some of the white with the other color. Over here, a little bit over here. Okay. I think she's looking fine and beautiful. All right, so this is it. I don't think I want to touch it anymore. I think it's pretty the way it is. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next tutorial.